Let's solve some more questions based on percentage. So the question number 1. Deepak bought a basket of mangoes containing 250 mangoes. 12% of these were found to be rotten. Of the remaining 10% got crushed. How many mangoes were in good condition? Clear? This is the question, and the question is very clear, I think. So Deepak bought a basket of mangoes containing 250 mangoes. Means the total mangoes was what? So total mangoes were 250 and 12% of were found to be rotten. So first we'll find out the exact number of rotten mangoes. Clear? Of remaining 10% got crushed. Clear? So first we'll find out the remaining. Means whatever we will get, that will subtract from 250. And I think this will be more clear if you'll see the process. So the process is here. Total mangoes 250. Clear? Rotten mangoes 12% of 250. So answer is what? 30. And remaining mangoes. So for whenever we have to find out remaining, then what we do? We have to subtract this number. Means any number from the main number. Clear? Means like here you have to find out the remaining mangoes. So you will subtract 30 from 250. So answer is what here? 220. Then mangoes which were crushed, 10% of 220. So 10% of what? 220. Because in question what was written there? Remaining mangoes. Clear? 10% of remaining mangoes got crushed. So 10% of remaining will be what? 22. Again the balanced mango is what? 198. So 198 mangoes were in good condition. Next question. In a maths quiz of 60 questions, Chandra got 90% correct answers and Ram got 80% correct answers. How many correct answers did each give? So here it is given in percentage. You have to find out what? In exact numbers. Okay. And what percent is Ram's correct answer to Chandra's correct answers? This also we have to find out. So the process is here. Number of total questions 60. Chandra got what? Correct answers of the questions 90% of 60. So 90% of 60 we will find out. And this is what? 54. When you do the calculation you will get 54. And then Ram got correct answers of the questions 80% of the total. So 80% of 60 means 80% of 60. Then you will get what? 48. So percentage of Ram's correct answer to that of the Chandras. So percentage of Ram's correct. So first we'll find out of first we'll write of what? Ram. So Ram 48 by 54 into 100 and the answer is this one. Okay. Now the next question. In an examination the maximum marks are 900. A student gets 33% of the maximum marks and fails by 45% marks. What is the passing marks? And also find the pass percentage. Nice question. Of course these questions, the level of these questions are good, means high. But no problem, first time you are doing and I have explained it very nicely. I tried my level best. I hope all the process will become very clear to all of you. So here the maximum marks what? 900 and 33% of the total marks means 33% of 900. So you will get what? 297. And the number of marks by which he failed is what? 45. So the pass marks will be what? 297. Clear? Plus 45. So it will be 342. And so percentage you have to find out. So 342 divided by the total marks. Total marks is what? 900. Clear? 900 and then into 100. So answer will be 38%. Now the next question is, in a train 15% of people travel in a first class and 35% travel in second class. The balance travel in the AC class. Calculate the percentage of AC class traveler. Clear? So we have to find out the percentage of AC class traveler, and this is the process step. So let number of people is what? 100. Then number of people in first class 15 and number of people travel in second class is what given? 35. So balance is what here? 100 minus 15 plus 35. This is means 50. So the total means the percent of people travel in AC class is what? 50%. Very clear. Now the next question is, it seems that the questions are difficult. Of course it is difficult, but when you will solve it, like when you will listen the explanation, the things will become very clear. Then you will find it, first time you will find it may be difficult, but the second time, third time, when you will listen the explanation and you will do it, you will find it very easy. Now the question is, a boy eats 25% of the cake and gives away 35% of it to his friends. What percent of the cake is still left with him? Clear? That we have to find out, though. Means what percent of the cake is still left with the him, means what? The boy. Okay, so this is the process. Let the total cake is what? 100, and cake which was eaten by the boy 25 and given to his friends 35. So balanced cake will be what? 40. Clear? So 100 minus 25 plus 35, balanced cake is 40, and hence 40% of the cake left with him. Now the next question, what is the percentage of vowels in the English alphabet? And the answer is here. So you know how the number of vowels is 5, and total English means total alphabets what? 26. So percentage of vowels will be what? 5 by 26 into 100, and this is the answer. Clear? Now the next, 6 1 by 4% of what number is 375? So let the number be what? X. So 6 1 by 4% of x is 75. This is the equation. Okay, and then we will solve this equation. When we find out the value of x, then value of x you will get what here? 6000. So the answer is 6000. Okay, and 6 1 by 4 is 25 by 4, and whenever percentage sign is given in the question, then where will you write the 100? In denominator. Okay, now next question is, 0.2% of a number is 5, find the number. Very good question, and the answer is, the steps is here, the process is here. Let the number be x, then 0.2% of x is what? 5. So again 2 by 10 into 100 of x is 5. The value of x will be what? 2500. Okay, now the next question, 30 is 16 2 by 3% of a number, find the number. Okay, very good. So let the number be x, then 16 2 by 3% of x is 30. So value of x you have to find out. So value of x will be what? 180. Because this type of equations you have solved earlier also, I have explained many times also. So I think now there is no problem in finding the value of x. Now the next is, the money spent on the repairs of a house was 1% of its value. If the repair cost rupees 5000, find the cost of the house. So here is the process. Cost of the house, let be what? X. Then the cost of repairs, 1% of x, and in the question it is given, this is what? 5000. Means what? Means we can write that according to the question, 1% of x is equal to 5000. So you know how to find out the value of x, and so the value of x will be this. Clear? So rupees 5 lakh. Now next question, in a school, out of 300 students, 70% are girls and 30% are boys. If 30 girls leave and no new boy is admitted, what is the new percentage of girls in the school? So very good. Here is the process. Total number of children in a school 300, and boys what? 30% of 300. So 30% of 300, 90, and number of girls 70% of 300. So 70% of 300 is what? 210. Now the number of girls left is what? 30. Okay, now next question, not next, more steps are there. So number of girls after leaving 30 girls will be what? 180, and number of children in the school is what? 180 plus 90, 270. And so the percentage of girls now, means when the 30 girls left the school, then what is the percentage? So 180 by 270 into 100, and 66 2 by 3% is the answer. Now the next question is, Kumar bought a transistor for rupees 960 and he paid 12% cash money. The rest he agreed to pay in 12 equal monthly installment. How much will he pay each month? Yes, the question is good, no? Good means you know what does it mean. Yes, the level of the question is high. So no problem, here is the solution. Price of transistor is given what? 960, and amount paid in cash is what? 12 1 by 2% of 960. So it will be what? 120. Then the balance amount we'll find out, and this will be what? 960 minus 120, rupees 840. Now paying in what? 12 installments. Then each installment will be what? 840 divided by 12, and so the answer will be what? Rupees 70. Next question is, an ore contains 20% zinc. How many kg of ore will be required to get 45 kg of zinc? So here is the process. So first, in an ore, zinc is what? 20%. Clear? In an ore, the zinc is 20%. And so let quantity of ore is what? X. So 20% of X is equal to what? 45 kg. Clear? And so 20% of X is equal to 45 kg. Then value of X you can find out. Clear? You will multiply, and after multiplication you will get what? 225 kg. So this much is only for this video. I hope all the process and question must have become very clear to all of you. Okay, and if you find problem, then no problem, because first time of course you can get problem, but I know second time and third time when you'll do this exercise, then you will enjoy, you will not find any problem in solving. Okay, thank you very much.